Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sahil from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today's topic is applications of curvature and radius of curvature. Curvature and radius of curvature. Curvature is an important property of curve. Curvature measures the degree of sharpness of bending of a curve at that point on the curve. The rate of change of direction of a curve with respect to distance along the curve. The rate of change of the direction of the tangent line at a point on the curve with respect to the arc length along the curve is called the curvature of the curve. Moving on to radius of curvature momentum. The radius of curvature is drawn at any point on the projectile in motion. This radius of curvature is the radius of a circular arc drawn at a particular point of time, and this gives the trajectory of the object in a circular motion. Next we can discuss radius of curvature in polar curves. The distance from the vertex to the center of curvature is known as the radius of curvature, represented by r. Any approximate circle's radius of at any particular given point is called the radius of curvature of the curve, or the vector length of curvature is also called the radius of curvature. We can see the application. When engineers design train tracks, they need to ensure the curvature of the track will be safe and provide a comfortable ride for the given speed of the trains. Moving on to radius of curvature in Cartesian form. Cartesian equation of a curve is simply finding the single equation of this curve in a standard form where x's and ys are the only variables. By definition, the radius of curvature rho is given by rho is equal to 1 modulus of k, where k is the curvature given in Cartesian form as k is equal to y double dash of 1 plus y dash 2 of 3 by 2. Moving on to real life applications of radius of curvature. The design of a device for measuring road or railroad track radius of curvature. The design of a device for checking high speed roads for proper banking and a technique for the use of radius of curvature concept in the design of a land navigational system. Moving on to formula for radius of curvature. Radius of curvature formula we can see r is equal to 1 by k, where r is the radius of curvature and k is the curvature. Next we can discuss optics and lens of radius of curvature. A spherical lens or mirror surface has a center of curvature located either along the decentered from the system's local optical fiber optical axis. The vertex of the lens's surface is located on the local optical axis. The distance from the vertex to the center of the curvature is the radius of curvature of the surface. Curvature of lenses. The amount, see we can see the diagrams: large curvature, medium curvature, small curvature. The amount of curvature on a convex lens determines how much the lens bends the light passing through it. This also determines the focal length of the lens. Conclusion. In an example conducted in the result sections, it is clearly shown that when the radius of curvature is 5 cm, The focal length is 2.5 cm. This supports the formula that f is equal to 1 by 2r. In a convex mirror, the image will be virtual, upright, reduced in size, that is smaller than the object, and will be located behind the mirror. The variation in object's distance affect the image distance and size. Thank you for everyone for watching this video.